boundless sea and vast land, as well as endless time and seasons, give birth to pure nature. Silent sun and moon bring you peace and quiet your mind to better reach goals. With its repeating pattern of day and night, the earth takes on a regular routine. You stretch, feel comfortable, and pay attention to all the life around you. Nurturing life, balancing, nature, health. Bonnie House aims to release your bound-up mind and embrace you at all times in every possible way. From the beginning, our goal has always been the same: organic, natural, herbal, certified organic, and no carcinogenic preservatives. Bonnie House aims to bring you a natural, non-toxic, pure and clean earth with nature conservation. Traditional distillation method, with steam one layer after another, with Tasmanian water, and pure. Our missions focus on relieving your tension and anxiety, as well as harmlessly bringing nature and environmental protection to the world. We do not test on animals and try to make the world a safe haven for them. We believe that only maintaining balance in this busy world helps us pursue true happiness and enlightenment. At all times, Bonnie House strives to make you feel vibrant and be hopeful for the future. Bonnie House.